Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to manage notifications in the Wattpad app. If you find constant alerts distracting, this video will guide you through the process of turning them off efficiently. First, locate the Wattpad app on your phone. Once you see the icon, press and hold it until a menu appears. Next, in the menu, select App Info. Then, look for the Manage Notifications option and tap on it. Here, you will see a toggle labeled Allow Notifications. Simply turn this toggle off to disable all notifications from the Wattpad app. Disabling notifications in Wattpad is simple and ensures a distraction-free experience. Follow these steps carefully, and you will have full control over app alerts. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.